Now you have studied so much. So I'm going to have a question for you. This is one of the currency. What do you think should I do? Should I buy? Should I go long? Should I go short? Or should I not do anything? What is the angle of a trend line? If you remember our first session, we connected the dots, right? What is the trend? Trend is your friend until it bends. Okay. So up till now, market is making lower tops and lower bottoms. With me? Now, what was the second characteristic of a this thing? Trend line. The more the number of touches, the greater the important the trend line becomes. 1, 2, 3, almost 4. Remember, the spacing between the 2 points is quite sufficiently wide. The angle of a trend line is also almost 45-degree trend line. Somebody says, I will not go short here. I will wait for a candle confirmation. Once you will start learning about candlestick, we will wait for some candlestick confirmation like a bearish engulfing pattern or a shooting star or an inverted hammer or a hanging man or some kind of a reversal pattern. And once the prices starts confirming me above this trend line, what I will do is I'll put my stop loss. That is very important. I will put my stop loss just above this trend line. Why? Because if prices starts going up, I will get stopped out immediately. Okay, but if the prices moves in my favor, I'm still want to make some money. And you want to see what happened in that particular currency? See, always remember, we as a trader, okay, we as a trader needs to have risk management. The only thing that we have in our control is the risk management. You have a control over is your stop loss, and sometimes even not that, because if the stop loss jumps or if there is a big gap up or gap down, you can't do much about it. But at least 80 to 90% of the time, the only thing in the stock market or a trading market you can control is the risk. Once you enter it, it's all God's gift. Okay. Either you can do all the analysis of the world. Okay. And I'm a CMT and I can tell you very upfront. After doing all these analysis also, we are right only 60 to 65% of the time, max. We know that nobody can predict the market consistently again and again. So what if you are going wrong? If I'm going to go wrong, I'm going to just put my stop loss and get out of it.